him. This is done so by the First Additional District Court in Hubli. Remember, Shrikant Pujari was arrested 48 hours ago for a case dating back to 1992. His alleged involvement in violence and riots was something that he was arrested for. The police had claimed that he was arrested because he was 30 years later because he was absconding for those many days. That was a claim that was contradicted by documents of the police themselves in court. Now we're given to understand that Shrikant Pujari has been granted bail. Akshara, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Akshara, we're given to understand that this is conditional bail that has now been granted. What are the conditions that he needs to adhere to?
Well, as of now, what we're learning is that conditional bail has been given. The conditions are, so much details on the conditions are yet to be out. We are looking out for that. But yes, the court, the additional court, first additional court in Hubli, today heard the case of this particular individual, the bail plea of Shrikant Pujari. Now, remember, yesterday also there was a hearing that the court had reserved the judgment to be delivered today, and it has given a conditional bail. And the main argument of this particular lawyers who are defending this particular individual, the Hindu activist Shrikant Pujari, is that he was arrested based on the charge sheet. No copy was available, and given the fact that he has attended all multiple investigations summoned by the police in various different cases, and given the fact that he was not found. So these were the main strong points of this particular lawyer who defended this particular activist, Hindu activist Shrikant Pujari. And yes, that was the strong point, that particular individual was arrested based on the charge sheet. Not the after copy was not available. Even the lawyer mentioned the same website. And now he has been given a conditional bail by the District Court of Hubli. So we'll have to wait and watch what are the conditions that have been laid down by the additional District Court in this particular case.
Right, those details will soon be trickling in. But as far as the arguments that were made in court, Akshara, if you could get a sense of that, we do know that Shrikant Pujari's counsel did tell the court about the contradictions as far as the police's claims went, because the police claimed that he was absconding for so many years, which is why he was arrested now in a 31-year-old case. But the fact of the matter is that that was not the case as far as the documents go.
Well, yes, absolutely. The police officials had initially, claimed that this individual was absconding for 30 years and he had not attended the legal process. That was the main strong point, or based on which the police officials had arrested him and taken into police custody. Even the police officials had said the same regarding this, and the same opinion was being watched out by Congress leaders in the state of Karnataka. That was the strong point of the police officials. But the same police documents of the police officials noted down revealed that this individual had in fact attended all the other investigations whenever he was summoned by the police officials in 2004, 2009 and 2018 as well. In multiple cases, he was being summoned by the police officials for investigation, and he did attend the investigation, and he also was granted bail in different cases in Hubli itself. So this concludes that this individual was in fact staying in Hubli. And the Congress, the BJP leaders also voiced in and said that was an auto rickshaw driver, and in fact was living in the same location.
ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಪೂಜಾರ್ ಅವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಏಕವಾಗಿ ವರ್ಷ ಬಂಧನ ಯಾಕೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ಪುರಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಪೂಜಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜಾಮೀನನ್ನ ವಿಧಿಸಿದೆ. ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆನೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇತ್ತು, ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ಪುರಸ್ಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇತ್ತು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದವರು ಪುರಸ್ಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೇವಲ ಆದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಾಸು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಬಹುದಿದೆ. ಸಿಕ್ಕ ನಂತರ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುಂದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Who just walked out of court, giving us details of the hearing that took place, bail has now been granted. Certain conditions have been set by the first additional court as far as Hubli is concerned. Akshara continues to be with us, getting us more details now. Akshara, they were confident that they were going to get bail is what Shrikant Pujari's lawyer came out and said. We're yet to get more details though on what conditions have been set by the court.
Well, yes, absolutely. Speaking on this particular case, he defended his client, Shrikant Pujari, the Hindu activist who was arrested by the Hubli police. He says that he was pretty much confident about the fact that he would obviously get bail. And the reason is that, as I mentioned earlier, the lawyers made it very much clear. They established the fact that the police claimed that he was absconding was false and it was completely baseless. And they also established the fact that he was an auto rickshaw driver and he used to live in Hubli for the past 30 years. And one of the strong point of this particular lawyer who defended the Hindu accused, Shrikant Pujari, is that this arrest was made on just the paper, the charge sheet paper, and though a copy was available, that's what the lawyer had to say. And they defended their particular case. And today, the additional district court in Hubli has delivered the verdict and said that this particular individual will get a conditional bail. But the order copy of this particular conditional bail is yet to be out. They will receive this conditional bail, and very soon we will get what are the conditions that have been laid out by the additional district court pertaining to his bail.
Right, those details are yet to be out as far as the court hearing goes. But this also means that perhaps the BJP would be ending their protest, isn't it? Their entire stir and the deadline that the BJP had set for the ruling government was that within 48 hours his release must be secured, and that really has happened, isn't it?
Well, Additional District Judge Hubli will welcome the court order.
Okay. Sir, what is the court term and conditions?
Conditions since yet to be seen. The copy is not available. After taking the copy, will apply.
कब पुजारी कब रिलीज होंगे सर?
कल शाम तक रिलीज होगा.
Okay, thank you sir.
Okay.
Bail granted to Shrikant Pujari. He will be released from jail by tomorrow is the confirmation coming to the fore from the lawyers. We will keep a track of that and much more here on CNN News 18. But with that, it's a wrap from my side.